What's up guys, and welcome to our first update video of our worm compost bin. We've had them for a month now, and let me tell you, these are some of the best pets to have. They're super low maintenance, and they turn our food scraps into fertilizer to grow even more food. What could be better, right? In this video, I'll share some clips of what we fed our pet worms and how our cute little worm bin looks each week, so you know what to expect when you start a worm bin. So here we got some sweet potato skin, just regular scraps, nothing special, and some cucumber because we know worms love stuff from the melon family. And we also got some Napa cabbage stems. In total, it weighed about a pound. In our last video, we put carrots and asparagus over here, but as you can see, it's pretty much all gone. And also, if you want to see the last video, it'll pop up on the screen somewhere, or also leave it in the comments. And as you can see right here, we got a couple worms hanging out at the last spot we put the food. And we've also got a bit of asparagus left over. And now we'll put our food on the left side. And now we'll add a handful of cardboard since melon's pretty wet. Then we put the leftovers on top. Cover it well so it doesn't attract any pests or make a smell. Give it a little spray. And this is how it looks. Now for our third feeding a week later, we found some gross veggies that's been sitting in the depths of our fridge that we totally forgot about. So it equaled about a pound total of mini romaine lettuce and spinach. Now let's put the food in the bin. As you can see, the cucumber and cabbage are gone, but there's still a lot of sweet potato skins left. So I read on the Facebook Vermicomposting group that something in the skin makes it tough for the worms to eat it, and they suggested to boil up the skin first before putting it in. So maybe next time we'll try that. And if you have any suggestions on how we could better our worm bin, please leave a comment down below so we can learn, because we really want to get up to your level. And here we put in our gross veggies, seasoned it up with some crushed eggshells to help the worms digest, and then we covered it up. Now it's week 4. We got a bunch of veggie scraps this time, and some more stuff that's been sitting in the fridge that we might have forgotten about. But hey, at least our worms get to enjoy these, right? Comment below, what food do you usually give your worms? So the past couple times we fed our worms, we noticed there's some scraps left over. So this time we decided to change it up and blend it to see if it'll get eaten faster. So as you can see, our bin's looking pretty good. Got some worms hanging out where we put the food last time. But we still got some leftover lettuce, but most of it is gone. So this time, we're gonna splop this veggie slurry on the left side so the worms can work that side of the bin too. And since all that is pretty wet, we put some cardboard on top. Of course, we gotta season it up with some crushed eggshells. Add a little more cardboard, cover it up. Then you gotta leave a comment below saying a garden experiment that you want to see us try. And the final step is to subscribe to see us try your suggestions and for more gardening updates like these. See you next time.